sports interactions inside the lines. All the insider info on the biggest news in sports. Sunday mornings on Sportsnet 650. The program with Andrew Walker and Satyar Shah coming up at 4.
If you like pina coladas, getting caught in the rain.
Now more of Canuck Central on the official home of the Vancouver Canucks. Sportsnet 650.
I'm sure you can get used to listening to this song a few more times. It's a song in the room. If you haven't been on social media, the Canucks play AWD for this postseason. They got to play it last night. I'm sorry, Vic Mazar's joining him momentarily, but we don't get a scoring update for you. Hit that horn now. The green block aside, this one going under the unseen blockers in the bottom of Varlamov, 17. Both goals, he's 2/3 of the way to the hat trick in Toronto. 2-0 Flyers in the early stages. Have you gotten into a little pina colada after games there, Beck?
No.
Well, I'm not saying the actual drink, I'm just saying the song.
Oh! That's very fun.
Yeah, midnight's kind of a weird time to fire up pina coladas, the actual drink. It's kind of a strange time to get that going. I'm thinking more of a sunshiny tropical vibe, but hey, whatever. Maybe after the second period they deserved one. After the fact they survived it anyway. Big man, the ice got tilted. You and I talked about this. There are going to be long stretches in games in this series, and we saw it again last night in the middle frame, where Vegas just turns it on you. It's the kind of team they are. They ride momentum in games, and they can impart it on you for long stretches at a time. Jacob Markstrom was fantastic, and it really was survival more than anything else.
Yeah, for sure. And this is why we talk about effort and consistency throughout the year, and that idea of the 16-minute game, right?